Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best gas pressure washers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot Gas Pressure Washer. This heavy-duty gas pressure washer has a measurement of 20 x 25 by 34 inches. A welded steel frame surrounds the Honda GC190 engine of this product, and it is composed of 1 1/4 steel of 16 gauge. Moreover, it comes with double-sealed a pneumatic tire, which ensures ease of movement over the challenging terrains. Also, it is equipped with a hose of 25 feet which is sufficient to clean the hard-to-reach areas of your yard. The 5 wands are attached to a wand, and the range is wider for tackling various kinds of cleaning requirements. Again, it has a detergent siphoning tube. Other than this, it possesses heavy-duty transport wheels, tubular steel frames along with a powerful engine that ensures that it is a cleaning monster. Due to its high reliability, you do not need to encounter too many hurdles while running them on various kinds of terrains. This product has earned a high reputation as one of the leading commercial washers available in the market, as it can clean the majority of the stubborn dirt and stains without any hassles. According to a bunch of customers, cleaning hard oil stains has become a breeze by choosing this pressure washer. The axial cam pump is another feature of why end users are investing in this product on a wide scale. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Tacklife GSW01A gas pressure washer. This gas pressure washer has the prerequisite combination of power copper motor and the super pump, which provides the pressure of 3,300 psi at 2.6 GPM. It is capable of cleaning the roof, truck, wall, garage, yard, roof easily. It confers the power, which is necessary for the removal of the most stubborn dirt. This gas pressure is known to possess 50% higher pressure, in comparison to the electric pressure washer. It has better power conversion than the electric pressure washer. This pressure washer encompasses 5 different quick connect nozzles, which accomplishes the requirements of various occasions. The soap tank of 3L large capacity produces foam for a prolonged period. Because of the presence of dual detachable anti-slip wheels, movement and carrying of the product appear to be a breeze. This model makes use of gasoline as the fuel so that you do not need to worry about the mess created by power cords anymore. Thus, there will be more work area, and cleaning becomes a breeze. The metal spray gun of this model is of high durability. It has a large gas tank of 3.8 L, due to which the machine can work for a longer time. The presence of 3-layer pressure hose offers improved shell life and safety. The trolley structure allows you to store the water pipe easily. Besides this, this gas pressure washer includes 5 nozzles and a spray gun. Other than this, this model includes 5 different quick connect nozzles, dual pneumatic tires, to name a few. At number 3, we have the Briggs & Stratton 3100 Max PSI at 2.1 GPM gas pressure washer. This gas pressure washer plays an integral role in enhancing the outdoor cleaning experience. There are 7 ways of cleaning as you choose this model. This pressure washer includes Power Flow Plus technology and dual mode cleaning. Powered by Briggs & Stratton EXI 875 series engine, this model enables the prerequisite option for switching between high flow and high pressure modes so that you can complete those toughest cleaning jobs at the earliest. This gas pressure washer includes high-pressure settings, which make it the ideal choice for single-story homes, patio furniture, and pavement. As you switch to the specific high-flow settings, you will be successful in cleaning the hard-to-reach areas, such as RVs, second-story windows. The Just Check and Add technology indicates that you do not need to encounter the hassles of changing the oil to enhance the durability of the engine. With the fold-down handle, you will be capable of storing the product easily in smaller spaces. At number 2, we have the Champion 2600 PSI 2.2-GPM Dolly-Style Gas Pressure Washer. It is a popular choice for cleaning the boats, patios, decks, fencing, stairs, siding, driveways, RVs, farm equipment, vehicles, and paint preparation. This pressure washer has become a popular choice in the market with the 196cc single-cylinder OHV engine, which generates the pressure of 2,600 psi along with 2.2 GPM. This gas pressure washer also has a 25-foot high-pressure hose, 3 nozzles, trigger gun, wand, and 4-foot detergent hose, which is ideal in accomplishing a plethora of cleaning jobs. This model includes a grip trigger gun, which is useful in reducing fatigue. The presence of a spray wand, trigger gun, and high-pressure hose makes storing the product a breeze. It includes an OV Reverberry axial camp pump, which offers steady nozzle pressure so that you can enjoy constant cleaning. This pressure washer also includes 3 quick connect nozzles that facilitate enhanced cleaning performance for completion of different kinds of cleaning jobs. Users also take an interest in this product due to the presence of a durable steel frame, cast iron sleeve, low oil shut-off the sensor, oil capacity of 0.6 quarts. And finally at number 1, we have the Duromax XP3100PWT 2.5 GPM gas-powered cold water power pressure washer. It is a popular pressure washer, which has won the heart of the potential audience with the Duromax 7 HP engine along with low oil shutdown. This model also has a fuel tank of about 0.79 gallons. Due to the presence of the quick change connections, the installation of the hose is a breeze. This gas pressure washer includes 6 different quick connect nozzles. Users favor this model instead of other products due to the presence of high-pressure hose, nozzles, spray fun, which allows hassle-free onboard storage. It is capable of generating 3,100 PS gallons every minute. Additionally, this model also has an axial cam brass head pump of 2.5 and 5 piston. Other than this, it has a durable welded frame that imparts protection to the engine as well as the pump, and thus lifting this unit is a breeze. Again, this model has easy-to-pull trigger and cushion grip, which decreases fatigue and brings an improvement in comfort. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.